Okay, are we ready? Come on. It's time to come sit down and get this over with.
But what if I don't like change?
Oh, you'll be fine. Just be you. Come on, sit down. Fine. Okay. Are we ready?
I guess.
Okay, good. Okay. Hey guys, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel, Hello Sparkles. Today, I have a different video for you guys. What?
We have a different video for you guys.
Okay, yes, fine. We have a different video for you guys. Today, I kind of wanted to... We kind of wanted to address what's going on with my channel and how it's been changing. I've gotten a couple questions about if I'm becoming a strictly Halloween channel.
And that's not to say I don't love my crafts.
Yes, we definitely still love crafts. If you've noticed, things have become a little bit more, shall we say, spooky?
No.
Well, what would you call it then?
Spooky cute.
Okay, true, it's fine. Spooky cute. Things become a little bit more spooky cute, for sure.
Cute. I don't like gore.
So as I said before, I've gotten a couple questions about whether I'm becoming a strictly Halloween channel, and that question is hard to answer. If I could speak, that question is hard to answer because it's not a yes or a no.
No, I love Halloween.
I am still mainly crafting channel, but
things might be a little bit more focused on Halloween crafts.
But for me, I don't want to be stuck under one niche. There's so much more to me than just crafting. And yep. Yep.
Better.
Camera battery died. As I was saying, I don't want to be under one niche. There's so much more to me, and I want to be able to show that and have more of my personality being shown. And also, it's my channel and I'll do what I want. And I know people don't want to see, or they usually want to see only one thing from one creator they only expect to do that one thing and stick to that. And I can see where that might be an issue, but at the same time, if I stick to one thing for too long and try to make that my brand, then I'm just going to end up not enjoying it, and it's going to reflect in my videos of me just being like,
yeah.
And this is how you stick this in here and you glue it together. And if you're as old as me, then you'll remember the eye drop guy from the commercials, and he was in a couple other things, played some teachers, very monotone voice. That's what I think of when I've been stuck on something for too long, and I don't want to do that. I want to still enjoy filming and still enjoy making content for you guys. I just don't want to be stuck on one thing. So this is what's happening. Well, I still love crafting, and it's just, I've always held back that I wanted to incorporate spooky cute crafts into my everyday content because I was so scared that I would scare people off because I'm talking about Halloween in like March. Years ago, I came across Halloween Happy when she was just barely starting, and she would share like her hauls she found throughout like the year of Halloween things and just Halloween things that she enjoyed. But it was also, to me, she wasn't strictly Halloween. She showed other sides of her, in my opinion, and I liked that about her channel, that even though she was Halloween geared, she just still did other things other than Halloween and just showed it, and I liked that idea. So while I'm not taking her content per se, I'm still just being me. I like Halloween. Yeah. I just don't want to be stuck.
Yeah, exactly.
And I was always sitting there thinking when I was watching her videos of, man, I wish I could do that and just show, oh, okay, I want to show this or I want to show that. But at the same time, in the back of my head, I was just like, no, I have to stay strictly crafts. I can only be crafts. And I hated it, honestly.
Well, I'm definitely not going to be strictly Halloween. I just want to show more myself, basically.
I also won't be strictly crafting. However, I will be a craft-heavy channel, if that makes sense.
No.
Well, somebody out there will get me.
Well, I really hope so. I really hope that you guys stick around for the Halloween stuff and crafts and Halloween content.
And the random cool stuff I find interesting.
And the vlogs.
And of course the vlog. And I hope you guys
and ghouls
subscribe
and like all the videos.
And as always, have a wonderful day.
Bye. And clear. Good.
I can go play video games now.
No, I don't need another thing.
Yeah, you do.